All right, so some bad news. I have given up on the MB5. It's I'm not going to be able to fix it. I've come to realize it was a bit of a mess, honestly. It's actually been a really big mess. But I got paid $100 to take it. And I did what I could. I put probably $500 into it, and I'm in the process of parting it out now. So if anyone out there needs some MB5 parts, I have some stuff left. There's an engine that works. At least it's got compression. I did flood the engine, so not great, but clutch has been rebuilt recently. It does deliver gas. Got a front wheel and caliper, some really crappy headlights, this oil bottle, which is good, holds oil. You can see the electronics on it, the wiring was a complete mess, so that's just going to be trash. But in doing this and getting rid of this thing, I went out and got this. It's an 89 NX250. Got at least 30,000 miles on it. It's okay. First inspection, it's got some things that need to be fixed. The plastics are pretty beat up. Previous owner rode the hell out of it, and that shows. And it's an adventure bike, so it's gonna get these dings. My biggest issue right now, I don't know if you can see that, the tank had a liner in it, and it looks like the liner's starting to peel. You can feel it, and that was getting into the carbs, which would have killed it. So I gotta get the carbs off. But I feel like this is a far more achievable goal than the MB5 was. So yeah, the MB5 is dead. Long live the NX250. Oh, and I've been riding my Nighthawk 250. I know it looks like it. I haven't been, but when it's not over 100 degrees, I like to take it out. Oops, that's the horn. It works. And then fixing the light on the Nighthawk, and I just rebuilt the clutch, and I've been working to get that gasket seal off, put the new one on. All right, and it's been a long time since I posted a video, and this has been why. It's been eating away at me what I need to do with it. And the way to get the money to pay for the NX was to part it out. Also, if anyone knows of a 65 supercut engine, I will definitely take one off your hands. So I'll keep you updated with the NX. First thing I am going to do is get that carb out of there. I've heard it's pain in the butt, but we will see.